Hi everyone, in today's recipe we are going to be making a popular Caribbean confectionery. We are going to be making some nut cake, peanut cake, groundnut cake, or some croquant that is gingery and delicious. You will only need a few ingredients and about 10 minutes to complete. Let's make it. Tip number one is to have a pot that is flat and wide because the water will evaporate faster out of the sugar. Right, we are ready to make the nut cake. With the pot off, add the sugar and a bit of water. Stir in the freshly grated ginger, but don't turn on the heat just yet. This part is very fast and you don't want the sugar to melt too soon. Turn on the stove on medium-low and dissolve the sugar. Cinnamon and vanilla are optional. Once the sugar is fully dissolved and no crystals remain, then slowly bring it up to a gentle heat. While the temperature is coming up, you will want to take a look at the drip because you will be testing this by the drip. When you see that first light simmer, that's your signal. Add in the groundnuts right then. Once you've added the peanuts into the pot, stir well to coat everything evenly in the syrup. As you stir, spread them out so that they get really coated well. Piling the nuts will not hold the shape as yet because the syrup is still runny. For this recipe, we're going to be using a stopwatch to time so that you have a better idea how long it would take. We are starting the stopwatch when the nuts comes up to a simmer and our heat is now on medium high. That way when you are doing yours at home, you will start a timer when the nuts comes up to a simmer. The cooking time is now 10 minutes and 9 seconds. And we are ready to test. This is what the drips look like before and after. It's faster before and slower after. This is the amount of syrup that I have in the pot. You want enough syrup so that when you scoop it, there's something to hold the nuts. This is what you don't want. You don't want all the syrup to dry out because it's going to begin to get caramelized and you don't want that. You want something that would crystallize. The drip right here has been reduced too much. I intentionally did this so I could show you what it looks like. Once you see these white bubbles forming a lot looking like a fry, it's reduced too much. If the syrup reduces too much for you, it's a simple fix. You want to add about 3 tablespoons of water and let it cook for 1 minute, then turn it off. Once the nut mixture is ready, scoop it into clusters on a tray lined with parchment paper. As soon as you scoop, make sure each spoonful holds its shape. That's how you know the syrup has reached the right consistency. Make sure each cluster get a bit of that glossy syrup coating so that the nuts bind beautifully. If the mixture starts crystallizing too fast, don't worry. Add 1/4 cup of water back into the pot along with all the nuts. Allow it to cook down again until it reaches the proper consistency. Then scoop it back onto the tray. With the right consistency of the syrup, they only take about 25 minutes before they completely harden. If you love this recipe, hit the like, drop a comment with your results, and tell me what sweet treat you want to see next. Every click will help in this little kitchen, which is a good way to help this channel grow. We have now come to the end of our recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.